6 in the morning. I think we're ready for Japfest. I do not know what I'm going to record today. I'm kind of recording this video for a for kind of a personal memory in a way. I'm going to meet Tommy for the first time, Adam Ivor for the first time, Peck, all the boys, so I'm really looking forward to it. Let's head to Japfest, about an hour drive, and I've never even been to Silverstone before, so this is all new to me. Right, let's go. Scumbag.
Not even in it.
Oh wow. This is crazy. It is, do you know what it reminds me of? It's like being on Forza. It's like being on Forza Horizon. It really is.
Well guys, 3 hours later, still not in. Still going round. Second time looking. Oh, never mind.
Look at this, man. Oh my god, I've never been to anything like this.
No cops.
For one day. Wow, man. Wow. There's some proper cars here, isn't there?
Ice cream.
For those of you that watched the Motorhub video, I think it's going to be a little bit like one of them where I'm just walking around going, oh, look at that, oh, that's sick, oh, that's so sick. Just pre-warning you. I don't think I've ever seen so many Supras in one area. I like the orange one. Scum. What horsepower is this? 550?
It's like I'm coming in.
550?
I don't like how we're like now.
I'd have put it in the middle, but oh, the plate even says JDM. Oh my Jesus.
Well, there you go. What not to like, a big show, nice dry weather, which is what we like, and you experienced this last year, you said it was...
We're currently looking for Luke Hancock with his Turdmobile, and I think he's bringing the car down this week to film a video on, so that's going to be insane. Look at some of these Civics, man. This is so next level. Man. Where's Luke? First time I've ever signed anyone's cast. Nice one, man. So this is coming on the channel next Saturday or Sunday if the weather's okay. This is Luke's. Yeah, man. Can't believe I like the doors. This is insane. Man. Do I suit it?
Yeah. Turn it.
Turn that.
Turn it. Flick him up. Ignition. Start.
Start. Here we go. Just press and hold.
Yeah, yeah. Press it, hold it. Hold it. Hold it all the way down. Yeah, there you go.
Bravo, man. Bravo.
I need to give that a go.
Got camber. So nice. I'm a little bit speechless, not gonna lie. Like, wow. This is the colour I'm thinking of getting my wheels painted. Copper. Ugh. Some dirty looking Evo over there. Yeah, it's horrible.
Do you want to speak to these?
Might as well. Yes, man, this is sick. How you doing?
Doing alright?
Yeah, man, good. Mate, this is gorgeous.
Thank you, man.
So nice. I do like the black. The black on black always looks good.
Black, clean.
Yeah, that's the only thing keeping it clean, isn't it? Shout out that guy, what an absolute legend. Mate, it's like Honda heaven here, isn't it? Really need to start spending some money on my car, but money doesn't come cheap, if that makes sense.
Did you see the Special K sticker on the engine? That's what's pointing out on that engine, then it's a
Special K.
Yeah.
I like
There was
it.
the K. There's another little one going up past. Oh, there's two. Oh, look at that thing deadly on display. That's quite cool.
I can't believe how big the place is, man.
Yeah.
It's huge. See, look how nice the black wheels look. Oh, this is the bonnet I'm looking at getting.
That one?
Yeah. That exact.
Different to the one I saw online.
Actually, yeah, that might not be the Tegra one, but something similar.
I like that one.
I love the grille.
Is that plate?
I think that's a flip plate, yeah. Ah, I don't do nothing illegal. What do you mean?
Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo.
I wanted to go see the little baby.
We're gonna have no time to look around the whole place, are we? It's cool, isn't it? So I need everyone's opinion. Shall I cut my bottom grille out like that so it opens up the rad when I get something to actually look at? It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it's still got an air on there.
Is that water or is that the TDI North? It's not water, is it? It's like the pattern.
I like the wheels. How I want them.
Team Dynamics, yeah. So we're going to go have a walk and see if we can see the cars on track. Hopefully see some sick race cars, but this place is insane, man. Oh my god!
Wow.
Where's the back of his car gone? That's crazy. Mad. Oh, there's so many EP3s, man. Shout out to Peck, he gave me 2 little slips of paper, so I thought, you know what, I'll take my chance and go see what I can get. 2 caps, 2 magazines. Peck, you're a scumbag, but I love you. Here's the Nomda. Shout out Monkey London.
Don't know why I'm recording.
From Code.
Right,
You boys are Code.
Yeah, I can go back to your house.
And then you'll like this. You'll like this. An EV3.
We're going to put that on the EV3 house, would it be?
You wanted your plug? Who are we following on Instagram?
Hey, obviously.
Well, what's your Instagram, dickhead?
Tom Peck.
Tom Peck, I'll put it on the screen, follow him. Faggot wanted a plug. Hey up, Peck. Insane, isn't it? Trying a free steering wheel. Look at the boot, man. For sale.
No, I just read that.
Get it caught.
Oh yeah, of course.
I can see you in that. I can see you in it. Jesus, man. Oh, I like the headrests.
Yeah, I know.
Bride ones. That's really nice, isn't it? I've made quite a few purchases, not gonna lie. A couple of t-shirts and bits like that. I'll show you all when we get back to the car, but I'm quite happy with them. They're cool, aren't they? What is making that noise? So this is the colour I'm thinking of going with my wheels, and I really like it, to be honest. I'm kind of gutted that this guy's got it done, because I thought I might have been the only one, but they look quite nice. Do you like them?
Yeah.
I'll have to sit down and think about the colours. Look at this purple one over here, jeez. I need to get a little dangly thing. I love the roof, carbon with a Jap flag. I really like that. Woman driven as well. Oh, look at this beast. Sat there purring away. Wow, man, I've never seen so many RX-7s in my life. The colour of this is insane. Really nice. There's the bonnet I'm getting. Oh, he's got the Mugen grill as well. Oh my god, this is a really nice one, man. So I might get one of them, number plate insert things, and then put my reg on the side. I've got some ideas. Oh, the colour of that, man. Oh, that's the same colour as Lee's, just gloss. Isn't it? It is?
Yeah.
Oh my god, they're gorgeous wheels.
I've got photos on the phone.
They're really nice. Okay, we got 2 Japfest t-shirts. They're like a £5 each, and I thought, you know what? It's my first car show, so we've got 2 Japfest t-shirts, one for me, one for Court. We got Japfest sticker, a little, like, I don't even know what you call it, but it goes around the washer bottle. I'm going to put this on in a minute. Yeah, like a, I don't even know. And then we got a Honda Civic EP3 Type R sticker. I'm not going to put that on the car, I don't think, or I might put it there.
No, I wouldn't.
I'm not sure, but got one of them. Then we got a little Japanese logo, hashtag made in Swindon, and I'm going to put that under my bonnet. So yeah, we're oh, and my K20 plate, which is sick. We're just having a couple of minutes sit down because we're absolutely knackered from walking around. Something I also picked up as well, this is to hold the front grille in. These are actually washers that actually say EP3 Type R. Love it. Peck gave me a Jazz Racing radiator cap, and I actually bought all the bolts, all the little nuts in red for these as well, and the washers a little bit like them, but they actually say Type R on them. I showed you earlier. And yeah, them bolts that I showed you earlier go in there. And there he is, sitting pretty. Some racing going on over there. We're going to go check it out, see what's going on. So for those that are subscribed to Lee, Stella's actually here on the same stand as me. His old Stella, if you don't know what Stella is, it's his old Subaru. And there she is. Oh wow, that's mad to see. What have they done to the front?
Oh, I know. Wow.
That's crazy.
I liked it with the purple.
That is crazy. Yeah, I like the purple. Ooby dooby doo! Look at it. Me? Oh, look at this. That's sick. Right, I'm gonna go check out these. Bloody hell, that's got some power in it. So we made it to the corner where they start drifting, and it literally just finished and everyone's walking away. So done, man. Face reveal. Oh, it's cute, isn't it? Let's touch cubes.
Touch tips then.
Man like Tommy.
Man like. He never comes to any shows I'm at because he doesn't like me.
I'm going to come to every single show now, especially after I've been to this one.
You've got a Civic, you have to.
I need to. I need to be there.
You live in McDonald's car park with me and my Focus.
It's a way of life now. There's no way back. No, man, it's nice meeting you.
But Jesse's come a long way very quick this year, and like
It's been crazy, man.
It's been a bit mad. I remember when
Well, I started off making your YouTube banner.
Yeah, he made me a YouTube banner fucking ages ago when he had his black Corsair.
Hey, how sick was that
He
banner?
was going to come and take my lights on me.
Oh my god, yeah.
He was spray tip. He was like, I'll come straight to you, yeah?
That was it. That was it.
Sick one, mate.
Crazy. Can't believe that was over a year and
I
a bit
know,
ago
it's
now.
ridiculous. I've seen so many videos there. I was speaking to Monkey London, like Sean, Adam, Lee, this kid.
This kid.
You know,
Crazy,
it's
man.
So crazy, but
Well, I was watching your videos before I even made the channel.
that's just romantic.
It's cute, isn't it?
I'll leave a little link down below.
Oh, you're a legend, man. Likewise, link down below.
These guys are talking to cameras.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. B7 approved.
I've never understood on TV. I don't understand why it's like that.
Either did I, and that was the only thing that put me off them. But honestly, it's the most comfortable thing I've ever felt in my life. Look, you can touch your finger and thumb on the wheel and the gears. Mad, innit?
Like, it looks cool. I like the steering wheel.
Well, do you know, like normally, like I compare it to my VXR. Obviously, you're going around the corner ragging it, and you wait till you've gone round the corner to change gear. That you change gear on the corner because it's so close. Do you know what I mean? Because it's so quick, and the shift's quite short as well, isn't it? Hey, look, what? Have you not? Oh, I've just broke your Honda virginity, lad.
Look at the VTEC.
There she is.
You love it, man.
Loving it. It's best part of the engine, to be fair.
You're gonna clean this? Or like paint it?
I'm gonna get someone to do me one. Yeah, I'm gonna get it the same colour as the car though.
Oh yeah.
Camera's out now. You got to do it. So Japfest has been absolutely amazing. Met Tommy, met Adam, obviously speaking to Lee and that. Met everyone that came and said hello to me, grabbed a picture and that. Amazing, thank you very much. And it's just been such an experience. I'm going to try and edit and upload this video tonight. How good's it been though?
Yeah,
it's been so good. A little bit cold at times. We had to come sit in the car because it was getting a bit tired, but
Baltic.
it's been absolutely amazing. I'm definitely going to come back, and yeah, that's going to do it for this video. I think I'm not sure how it's turned out. Like I said, I was kind of filming for a memory and kind of like relive today because it's my first car show. But yeah, I'll see what I can do in the editing. If you did enjoy the video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.